Hey guys, this is Erica. Today, let's talk about the data filter node. Think of the data filter node as your data's quality control manager. It helps you clean up your data by applying filter conditions. You can add one or more conditions to the data filter node. These conditions decide what data to be kept or discard. You can set the data to meet all or any of the conditions to pass. It decides whether the data needs to meet all the conditions or just one of them to pass through the filter. Not all field types are supported to be set as a condition. For more detailed guidance, be sure to check out our help document for the data filter node. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.